the biggest thing for this lesson is that you actually do both of the parts in the assignment. A lot of you will do one or the other, but you don't do both, at least recording both. So I will go over the lesson, but just as a reminder, you need to practice reading the words, see how many words you can read in 1 minute, write down how many you read, 10, 20, 32, 45, whatever, however many you did, write that down on your assignment, and then also underline the vowel syllable in each word, or highlight, or put a dot by it, or do something to show me that you know where it is in each word. Okay? We'll say the first half is a must do, the second half is a should do, but you can skip that second part if you want to. Now, as far as what the actual lesson is, it's kind of a review of what we've done before, that bossy R. Now, there's some different ways it can look. The ways it looks in here are A-R, O-R, I-R, E, sorry, U-R is next. I know technically it doesn't matter, but on your sheet, the order it puts them in is U-R and then E-R. Okay, so it has words like shark, start. So because it has that R there, it changes the sound a little bit of the vowel. Okay, it's not exactly an A, like a short one, or an A, like a long one. It's that R kind of a sound. Star, or, scorch, which is like to burn. Thorn. We have girl. No, mine are getting a little squished together. Stir. So sometimes it puts it at the end of the word. Sometimes it's in the middle. So we have R, or, like a pirate. I guess R is more like a pirate, but is another bossy R sound. We have UR, like the word urge. So it sounds similar to the IR, it's just spelled differently. So notice sometimes it's at the beginning, again, sometimes in the middle. Or then we have germs or nerve. Now you've seen how there's other ways to spell it. You can have EAR, you can have AIR. Bossy R can look very different, but these are the ones that you'll be looking at in this particular assignment. So again, in your worksheet, you need to, I'll give you the code word in a minute. You need to mark somehow. So if you go to markup and then you go to highlight, you could just highlight. Oops. So then I might have to undo if I mess it up. Okay, because I know it can be hard with your Chromebook. Oh gosh, that one's really tricky. Whatever is easiest for you. Clearly this one's not easier for me to highlight, so I probably wouldn't do that. But whatever way works for you to mark. Again, I'm changing it a little bit. Please do for sure the top half, and then the bottom half is a great bonus. I still would like you to do it, but that I will leave up to you. And then at the bottom, you need to record how many words you read. Turn a timer on your screen. 1 minute, go. You don't even need another person there with you to do it. You can do it on your own if there's no one to listen to you. Okay? 2 times is great, but at least do it once for me. Practice those words. If you need help knowing how to say any of them, I recorded a video of it. And the code word for this one is fifth. Fifth. F-I-F-T-H. Like the grade you are in, fifth. All right. Good luck.